Hi, I'm Dr. Doty, and I'm here to show you the easiest, cheapest way to garden. I like to garden because I want to avoid genetically modified foods, I want to avoid pesticides, herbicides, bugs, and everything else. So having your own garden makes it delicious and super fresh. So there's 3 steps I'm going to show you today. The first step is how to plant seeds. Super easy. I have a burpee system, which is nice. You fill up this bladder with water. There's a wicking system that takes the water up to the soil. So you put in the wicking system, and then you put the soil with the seeds in it. Now I'm going to take some seeds here, and I'll show you. It's just super easy. Usually what you do is you just take a pencil and you put some holes in the soil, and then you just drop 1 seed in each, and you make sure you cover it up. So we're gonna put the seeds in. And you can press them down just a little bit so they're lightly covered. And that's all you really need to do to get your seeds. Now, I usually do 3 different types of plants, and I mark them. So I just did sweet peppers, I did Bibb lettuce, and I'm doing cucumbers. So there's cucumbers. And you need to put this out under the sunshine, like put it next to a window or something. I put mine under a grow light that's on a timer. So it's got a grow light over it for 8 hours. Now, while this grows, it takes about 2 weeks for that to grow. So I'm going to get ready for the next, and this is how to make nutrient soil for your plants. When you do this, it's pretty easy. You just need equal parts. I use FloraGrow. I've been using this for a year, and I still have half a bottle left. And all you got to do is put equal parts of green and purple and red and calcium and magnesium to make those plants extra strong. And then you mix it up. This is the nutrients that your plants need, and just to make sure that it's going to be growing well, you can put, and what you do is you take 5 mLs of the water out and you put some drops in it. 1, 2, 3. You can shake it up and you can look and say, okay, that's green, which means it's about 6.5, which means it's a little alkaline. And if it's a little alkaline, you may want to add just a little bit of pH down to make it a little bit more acidic. So in that case, what you can do is you can take just a little bit of acid and put that in, and that will make the pH just perfect. Then we take this nutrient solution and we put it in our little grow box. I have a Le Pot grow box. So I'm going to take this over here and I'm going to pour it in and get it to the level that we want. And then I can put the plants back in. Now, some of these are ready to go outside. So I'm going to take 5 of these out, and I'm going to show you how to do new ones. So I currently have some echinacea growing, so we're going to show you how to transplant the echinacea. These are about like 1 cent a block. You can buy a whole brick of these things for just, $1 or $2. And so it's really inexpensive. And what we do is I take a knife. This right here is echinacea because we like to grow medicine. And if you loosen it up, you've got the little plant and you can see the little roots. So I'll put the plant here so the roots are sticking out the bottom. And I will put it in a little container. And I will drop it in the water. So we have a few of these that we're going to do. And we've got 8 of these. I guess I have 5 of them to do. Now, these ones are going to get transplanted down to my lettuce grow machine, which has a different size hole. So I just slip this one and this one, and then I'll take it down and put it in my lettuce grow machine. So that's all I do. I've only got a half an hour per week to work on these things. So, you know, when you don't have much time, that's a really inexpensive and fast way to do it. Thanks. Bye-bye.